Hi, my name is Katie, and I am the driver for the session, and I'm here with Mika. So today in class, we completed chapter 10, and this is chapter 10 part 2. I have done a few activities that I will be displaying for you and explaining how it works and then running it in the terminal. Okay, so we've got our first activity. Just read the question. So 10.11, favorite number. Write a program that prompts for the user's favorite number. Use JSON.dumps to store his number in a file. Write a separate program that reads in this value and prints the message, I know your favorite number. It's okay. So let me just get the other code. Okay, so over here, we have get input. This user is prompted to enter their favorite number, and then we've got save to file. So the path creates a file path for favorite number JSON.dumps converts the number into a JSON format, and then path.write underscore text that writes the JSON data to a file, and then we've got our confirmation, and it prints a message confirming the number is saved. Okay, so let me just run this in the terminal. What is your favorite number? I'm just going to say 12. Things I remember that number. And then when we move over here, I'm not sure if it works when I do this one. Oh, it works. So I know your favorite number is 12. Okay. And then moving on, we've got 10.12. Favorite number remembered. Combine the two programs you wrote in exercise 10.11 into one file. If the number is already stored, report the favorite number to the user. If not, prompt for the user's favorite number and store it in a file. Run the program twice to see that it works. Okay. Just so over here we've got a try to read file. Let me just see if it's this one. Okay, it's this one. So if the file exists, it reads the favorite number from it and it displays it. And then if the file doesn't exist, it will ask the user for their favorite number and saves it into a file and then confirms that it will remember it. So let me just run this. I know your favorite number, it's 12. And then moving on with 14.13, use a dictionary. The remember me by example only stores one piece of information, the user's name. Explain this example by asking for two more pieces of information about the user and then store all the information you collected in a dictionary. Write this dictionary into a file using json.dumps and read it back in using json.loads. Print a summary showing exactly what your program remembers about the user. Okay. So basically in this code, we have checks if user in underscore info.json over here. So it checks if the user info exists, and if it does, it reads and then loads and then stores the user's data. And then we've got get new user info. If the file doesn't exist, it prompts the user for their name, favorite game, and their favorite animal, and then saves the data in JSON file. And then we've got greet the user. If data exists, greets the user and mentions what was stored. Otherwise, it collects new data and promises to remember the user in the future. As you can see, it says, welcome back, Katie. I hope you've been playing some color switch. Have you seen a dog recently? And then we've got 10.4 verify user. The final listing for remember me by assumes either that the user has already entered the username or that the program is running for the first time. We should modify it in case the current user is not the person who was last using the program. Before printing a welcome back message in create user, ask the user if this is the correct username. If not, call get new username to get the correct username. So over here in this program, it checks for the stored username. So if the file exists, it reads and retrieves the username and then asks for a new username. If the file doesn't exist or it is if the stored name is incorrect, it prompts the user for their name and saves it, and then greet the user, welcomes back the user if their name is stored or remembers the name in future. As you can see, it's asking in my query, so I'm going to say yes. Welcome back, Katie. And that is it for chapter 10 part 2. Thank you for watching.